Sweet Sriracha wings. Place 3 pounds of chicken wings in a large bowl. 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. Half teaspoon of garlic salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Toss the wings and place in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Chop up 4 tablespoons of cilantro. In a small pot, melt 4 cubes of butter, 3 tablespoons of honey, half cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime, 4 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and the star of our show, 1/3 cup Sriracha chili sauce. Get in there. Beautiful. Place chicken wings on baking sheet. Cover them up. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Perfect. Turn occasionally. Brush some sauce on for the last 5 to 10 minutes of grilling. Flip them over and get both sides. Stunning. In a large bowl, add remaining sauce over top of the wings. Give it a toss. One more time. A little sauce on top. Don't be shy. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro. Gorgeous.
And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. It is a traditional cookbook that has been rewritten without the bad foods, especially gluten and no oil. It is 300 pages jammed with recipes and a great textbook to follow. And don't forget to check us out on Notice Foods on Instagram, where we have tons of content. You can ask us any questions and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.